get you, Brunette Stone!
No, you won't, because the magic you refuse to believe in will get the better of you.
You can run, but you can't hide! Right, Pinchy? Pinchy's hungry!
Get back!
Come on, lady.
Coming, Puffball! Look out! Here I come! Duck, Pinchy! I like my lunch steamed! Pretty fast for a puffball.
Well, lady, this is your shining time, too.
I hope so. Come on, lady! Little engines can do big things!
Well done, Thomas. Well done.
What's going on? Hold it! Puffball! Teapot! Oh well. Nice time of the year for a cruise.